Hello, I'm Mark from CFone Communications, and today we're going to have a look at the Yealink CP930W, which is a bit of a mouthful, but it's a conference phone from Yealink. The W stands for wireless. It's a DECT phone. You can pick it up. It's got a battery built into it, lasting hours and hours, so you can move it around your conference room. Designed for small and medium-sized conference rooms. Our demo room here is around about 5 meters by 5 meters. I'd say that's about a small to medium-sized meeting room. And the table we're sat at here today would easily seat 6 to 8 people. This is designed up to about 12 people. It's got 3 microphones built in. During a call, anyone around the table can press the mute button, and because it's battery powered, anyone can move it up to their end of the room if you needed to, so that it could pick up their voice more clearly, or you can actually extend the number of microphones it has so that you can fit it in a larger conference room. If you want to make a call, we can do that simply. We've got a couple of phones here which we're going to call. We've got facilities phone and an IT department. So let's make a call. So to make a call, it's quite simple. We just dial the extension that we want to dial. Press dial. Hi there, facilities. And like I said before, if we want to mute one of the recipients in the room, just press the mute button and the room is muted. Now, being a conference phone, we can also conference other people. So let's do that. We're going to conference in this phone here, which is the IT department. Cool. Hello, IT department. How can I help you? Yeah, we're going to conference you in on the call. Okay, press conference. Everyone's in the conference, currently muted, ready for call. Yes, we are. Now all 3 of us are in the call. Hello, facilities. Hello, IT department. Hello, meeting room. Simple as that. So we've made a call, we've made a conference call. Some of the other nice features about this, because it's got Bluetooth, you can twin it with a Bluetooth speaker or even your iPhone or Android phone if you wanted to. So you could use this as an extension to your mobile phone. Plus, if you've got access to the directory, just hit directory, which you've got here. Scroll down to the directory, and you can see it's loading up the directory now of all the departments. I can ring someone here. Hi there, facilities. And you can also use the DTMF keypad to type part of the name, FAC for facilities, or the name of the person you're trying to reach. It can also make calls outside the building if that's programmed on your cloud phone system. So that's the Yealink CP930W DECT phone, wireless, cordless, and exceptionally portable and convenient for use in small to medium sized rooms up to 8 to 12 people from CFone Communications. So if you liked what you saw or heard today, then visit www.cfone.co.uk for more information, or like and subscribe to this video so that it helps us bring more content to you that is useful for your school or business.